Hi traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the new SEBI rules which has been implemented for options and futures trading. These changes has been made in order to make your trading even more safer. I know it will be a bit confused for the small traders, but don't worry, I'll explain all those things in the simplest way and will provide you with the examples where that might affect your trading. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. SEBI has regulated 6 new rules, and the first one is contract size for index derivatives. SEBI is increasing its contract size for index derivatives like Nifty and Bank Nifty. Earlier, the contract size was based on a minimum of 5 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. But now it has been increased to 15 lakh rupees to 20 lakh rupees. Let me say you by giving you an example. Suppose, let's say you are going to buy a Nifty futures and the lot size of it is 75. The notional value is around 10 lakh rupees. But now SEBI has increased it to 15 lakh to 20 lakh rupees. You need more margin to execute your trades. Small traders will find it difficult to execute their trades, while the big traders will not get much impact of it. The second rule is like rationalization of weekly index derivative products. SEBI has now planned to reduce the weekly option contracts available for trading. This means that there will be only lesser choices for trading in weekly options. Like NSE, it will be like Nifty, and for BSE, it may be like BankX or Sensex. For example, we had 5 different weekly options available in a month. Now, SEBI might change this into 3. This helps to make the market even more simpler and to understand and manage it. This reduces the chances of confusion. The third rule is like upfront collection of option premium for buyers. If you are buying an option, you need to pay the full amount upfront. But earlier, some brokers allowed you to trade by using the collateral like the shares you hold. Now, SEBI requires that you have to have your full premium amount in your account. Only few big brokers will still allow you some flexibility, but in general, it is now mandatory for all. For example, let's say you are going to buy a call option of rupees 5,000. Earlier, the broker might allow you to trade even if you have 3,000 in your account because of using the collateral as their shares. But now, SEBI has changed that all the premium should be paid in upfront. Rule number 4. Removal of calendar spread treatment on expiry days. Calendar spread means buying and selling of an option with the same strike price but on the different expiry days. SEBI has initially offered low margin for this type of strategy, but now on the expiry days, margin benefit has been removed. For example, when you buy a Nifty call option of the expiry of the next month and sell a call option of the expiry of this month, the benefit required was lesser. But now, on the expiry day of the nearer month contract, you have to pay your full margin. This is done to make more expensive your position that you hold. Rule number 5. Intraday monitoring of position limits. In order to control the risk, now the exchange will check your margin account 4 times a day. If you are doing intraday option and future trading, this rule will ensure that you have right margin to take care of your positions throughout the day. For example, if you are going to trade in Nifty futures and the exchange will now check your margin account 4 times a day that you have right margin in your account. If the positions fall, you have to add the funds immediately or you have to reduce the position. But this will also reduce the trading volume. Rule number 6. Increase in tail risk coverage on expiry days. On expiry day, SEBI has introduced an additional margin called extreme loss margin, especially for the option sellers. This margin will be 2% of the notional value of the contract and it is designed to protect the sudden spikes in the price movement. For example, if you are going to sell Nifty options contract with the notional value of rupees 1 crore, then you have to make additional balance of rupees 2 lakh. that is 2% of 1 crore rupees. This is mainly to protect the further losses. So these are the 6 rules of the SEBI which has been implemented for the trading. So plan and update your trades accordingly. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!